So hey, what is up guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. So guys, you showed in the first that how much a ring light is expensive. Also the ring light is very important for us. So guys, today I am going to make a ring light, but this is one step upgraded from the new one or the original one. The specification of the ring light which I have made, that you can also charge your phone while doing the video. So guys, let's get started. This is a basement of a cake which I have cut in the required shape. Now we have to connect all the strip LEDs in parallel connection. There is a request from me that please watch this video till end so that you can understand very nicely that how I have made my own ring light. Now the ring light will look like this. And here I did some holes in required shape. The connection is very simple. All the negatives will connect it together and the positives will connect it together. Only the regulator will work like a switch. So you have to connect the regulator in the place of switch. I have attached this with super glue and dendrite. Now we have to cut the poly bag in the required size. As the whole system will stand on this small nut, then you have to use glue gun or M-seal here to fix this properly. you have to connect the wire of ring light with any type of USB port. As there is a regulator in the ring light, then we can control our brightness. Sorry, not our ring lights. You cannot watch the proper brightness of the ring light through the mobile. Now let's come to the most interesting part of the charging. I am connecting a USB port at the backside of the ring light. Now let's connect the micro USB port in my mobile phone. Guys, you can see my phone started to charge. Also, the ring light will work in this position. So guys, I hope you have understood how to make this ring light, and I hope you can make this at your home. So guys, if you have liked this video, then please like our video and please comment down. Till then, stay tuned